Alright, hey guys, so the next project for GP Productions is this 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup, or some might know it as the Caddy, I believe is the European name for it. Basically it's going to be a complete reconstruction and restoration. There's not much left of this one. We're going to cut the front of it off and put the front of a convertible on, welded in place. We got a big dent on the side we're going to look at actually later today, and completely reconstruct the bed floor and the back wheel wells, and kind of do a little bit of custom work, but also keeping it as close to original as possible. So Mitchell's going to show you the truck here a bit. There really isn't much to it. It's basically like a miniature Mazda or a Nissan, but in this case it's front wheel drive. And as you can see, there's basically nothing left of the floor. You can see through on the far side. So as part of the swap, we're going to cut the whole floor pan out and use the floor pan from the other car. And the bed's slowly melting here. There's some spots that are rotted through as I rip my glove on it. So we're going to just do a new bed floor, and it needs new bed floor rails. And then there's the dent we're going to try and tackle today. Somebody drove into the side of it before I owned it, I guess. So we're going to talk about that a little later, which will show you the other side here. Kind of the middle section of the truck is not in bad shape. A little bit along the bottom there, but then we're missing a panel in the back corner here. The tailgate's gone. So I do have a panel for this that we're gonna try and make work. Gonna be a fair bit of body fill, but that's just the nature of not being able to get parts. So yeah, that's the next one on the chopping block. This is gonna be very much a long-term project. As you can tell, there's a ton of work here for us to do. Once we get the front end swap done, then we can start putting the engine in, so at least the truck can move around on its own, and then we'll do the back reconstruction. So yeah, this engine was a gas, I believe. No engine now. But the plan is to put a 1.9 liter turbo diesel, the AAZ engine, out of a Mark III Golf into this truck as the final product. Can't really see over there towards the trees, that lump of snow, red car over there. We're going to take the engine out of that and use the transmission as it is, probably. And this one was already a manual truck, but the front end we're going to use from the car is automatic, so then there'll be a automatic to manual swap as well we'll have to do. But yeah, that's the next one on the chopping block, and we're just going to pick away at it slowly in between the BMW, and we've still got some things coming for the Mark IV Jetta in the future, so stay tuned. Yeah, so if you like this video, drop a like, subscribe to GP Productions, as well as check out the gtstech.com, and there will be some four-wheel motion content coming on my page as well. And if you have a question or a comment or something you'd like us to try and do with this truck or any one of the other projects, leave a comment and we will answer as accurately and as quickly as we can. Thanks for watching.